Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling aggregated insights in the Life360 app. This feature, when turned on, allows Life360 to share your data with partners for various purposes. First, open the Life360 app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top left. Then select Privacy and Security from the menu options. After that, click on Aggregated Insights from the list. Finally, scroll down and turn off the option labeled Aggregated Information Sales. This action will stop Life360 from sharing your data with external partners for advertising or other purposes. By completing these steps, you can ensure your personal information stays private. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.